See evaluation tools for Yamar's communication over DC powerline transceivers.
Show me.
We built a tester board that interfaces directly with Yamar's PLC transceiver evaluation boards. In TX mode, it generates test messages. When receiving, the test messages are analyzed for errors. When no error is detected, its LED is on. If errors are detected, the LED blinks.
So simple. How to see details on my PC?
Connect the tester to a PC via its USB connector. The PC test program will show detailed information.
How does it operate in a real environment?
Just connect the EVBs to the power line. If data errors detected, the RX LED blinks. See more information and download the test program from yamar.com.